bitterly cold, and it's only October. I can only imagine what November, December, and the rest of winter brings. These people desperately need shelter. I mean, there are over 3 million people displaced by the earthquake. You know, the hundreds of, I say almost 100,000 dead by what I see over here. The death toll is going to climb, and it's going to climb very steeply, unfortunately. काफी चोट लगी होगी लोगों को यहाँ।
बहुत ज़्यादा, आज तक कम से कम इसलिए पता नहीं बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हो गया। सिर्फ 50 साल ही नुकसान नहीं पूरा कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, तो चले, जो भी हम कर सकते हैं हम कर रहे हैं, क्या करें। पहुँच रही है चीज़ें आपको, मदद
पहुँच रही, बस आज नॉर्मल नहीं मदद पहुँची, बिस्तर नहीं मिले, उस तो बाद असा को ये टेंट मिले, इस सारा पानी आंदा, एक कागज किसा को मांग के आंदा, कागज उतार रखा, बहुत सर्दी, निके बच्चे मरे दो, बहुत रात पूरी सर्दी।
हाँ, मैंने पता चल गया कितनी सर्दी है
जी, बहुत सर्दी है, सर्दी में बहुत मुश्किल बनी, कोई कंबल नहीं मिल रहा।
अच्छा। और खाने पीने का मिल रहा है? खाने
पीने का सामान इथों मिल लिया कैंप पे।
हाँ, ये ह्यूमैनिटी फर्स्ट का
कैंप। हाँ जी, इथों मिल लिया।
अच्छा।
बाहर बिस्तर इथों नहीं मिल रहा, बिस्तर असों एक कंबल मिल लिया इथों। असि घर दे 7 आदमी हैं, 7 आदमी एक कंबल भी तो नहीं रह सकते।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
ये भी बात इसी तरह खिंडी दी जाती हो रहा।
आप लोग अंदर ही थे?
जी ना, इथा बाहर जिथा टेंट लाया ना, इथा से हैं। जिस वक्त ये वाकया है, बच्चे सब स्कूल से।
अच्छा, स्कूल का क्या हुआ? स्कूल
बिल्कुल टह गए, बच्चे बच गए।
भाई शुक्र अल्लाह के।
शुक्र अल्लाह दा, बच्चे बच के स्कूल टह गए, बिल्कुल खत्म हो गए। ये बच्ची एक स्कूल में जो निकल के वो उठा पहुंच गया था, बस स्कूल पे छुटे गया। वो वाली बच्ची। स्कूल
किथे है?
स्कूल शहर में। शहर स्कूल है।
अच्छा।
सैली सरकार नाल होता जी था। इतनी चीज असं कदों बढ़ा सकते हैं, गरीब मुलाजम आदमी यूनिवर्सिटी में मियां मुलाजम डायरेक्टर साहब रेवल
जी,
इतना सामान कदों बन सकता सो को ये असं 50 साल जितना कुछ असं कीता था, असं सो टवक्को भी नहीं रही असं करसा। ख्वाब नजर आंदी है कि जिस ख्वाब नाल असं वक्त गुजारिया अस, इतना मुश्किलात होन बन गई।
Okay, we're stuck in a traffic jam on our way to Muzaffarabad. Don't know what's happening. ओ ताहिर साहब, क्या हो गया यहाँ?
तो सर ट्रैफिक हो रुकी है।
आओ,
मशीन काम कर रही है, स्लाइडिंग जो गिरी है।
अच्छा, ये स्लाइड होके गिरी है। ये कितनी देर लगेगी ठीक ये साफ़ करने में?
ये तकरीबन सर आधा घंटा लग जाएगा।
आधा घंटा। अच्छा, चलिए ठीक है, मेहरबानी। Okay, here we are. First of all, we're in Muzaffarabad now, main city.
And we are in the old secretariat, which is all demolished. It's all around it. And the President House, which is there.
Which is up there.
And then keep walking, you come with me, and you will see down how the earthquake has done.
Right.
The houses have collapsed.
Completely.
And this whole area, which is the heart of Muzaffarabad, and you can imagine how things look.
And I'm sure early in the morning, on October 8th, these people must have been in their houses,
exactly,
having breakfast or sleeping or something.
And still there are dead bodies under these houses.
Right.
As you can see, these houses are not being touched.
No, they haven't been touched yet at all.
Yeah. Now, this is the President House up there.
Up there.
Yeah. And main building, which is still intact.
Right.
And then the rest is, look, what it is.
It's almost like it broke and just slid down the side of the mountain and onto the road.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what's happened. And I can imagine there are people underneath there, and there's still people underneath all this concrete and rubble. And even down here, I'm sure. And that's why these people are wearing masks, because of the smell. The smell of the dead bodies rotting. This is someone's house, someone's garage, in fact. And let's just take a look inside. There's a car in there. I think it's totally been buried underneath all the rubble that's fallen on top of it. Yeah, would you look at that? My God. Isn't it strange how everybody's just carrying on normally, no crying, no fuss?
Yeah, the people are.
I think they're used to calamity. Matlab, since this whole this India thing, Pakistan India thing's been going on, I mean, I guess they're used to this.
Of course.
They're used to calamity.
Calamities, and they know how to cope with it, and that's why you don't see any panic, no hysteria, nothing, no cries. Simply they tell the story straightforward, clearly. Oh, my 3 daughters have died. Oh, my brother died. My house is collapsed.
Right. When I was interviewing those people over there next to our camp, even though they had absolutely nothing, everything's been destroyed, and a lot of people have been hurt. They didn't show that they were sad. They were disappointed.
Yeah.
But they were not panic-stricken or sad.
And they still say, "Thank God we are alive."
Right. The main thing that everybody was saying was, "Shukr Allah, mere bache reh gaye hain."
Yes, that's right.
Sir, ये क्या हुआ है? क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
सर ये सामान नीचे है, सामान निकाल रहे हैं।
अच्छा, सामान निकाल रहे हैं। Look, the whole road just caved in, broke off the edge. Now all these helicopters, I think they're the donated helicopters, not Pakistani, but United States helicopters from Afghanistan and from other countries, the United Nations, anyone who's willing to help. That's what they need. I mean, with roads like this. And now these helicopters, I think this one's from Israel. Israeli Air Force. And that's a monumentous thing, because if it is the Israeli Air Force, we're the first Muslim country to ever accept help from them. USAF or ISAF? I can't tell. But that's amazing. Look at that. This woman's hurt really bad. I think she's being taken to that ambulance, that Turkish ambulance we saw earlier, down there. She's being taken over there for some first aid treatment. Wow, what a disaster. Sangam Health Club, sauna bath, fitness center barbecue at Riverside. Well, I don't know if they can do any more barbecues at the Riverside. Just take a look at their health center. Destroyed. Totally. सर जी इतने क्या होता है?
इधर क्या होता है?
ये क्या चीज़ था?
ये ऐसा ये होटल था।
ये होटल था?
ये होटल था। ये सबसे पहले जी बना था संगम होटल था।
संगम होटल था। अच्छा। बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया है?
बहुत खत्म हो गया, बस तबाह हो गया, बस थोड़ा सा रह गया यार।
बिल्कुल कमाल हो गया यार।
ये अभी देख रहा था, आप मुझे काट रहे थे।
तो सर क्या करें?
मैं देखा यार, मुमताज से मिल रहा है, ये इलियास ही होगा।
तो मैं वो इतने दिन से हमारे पास कुछ है नहीं, मुझे ये तो अभी मैंने ये दुकान से ये छोटा मोटा लिया, दुकान ही बंद है।
नहीं, ये कहता है कि मैंने फोटो खींची है मुझे, मैंने कहा पूछो उनसे।
आधी एक साइड की मैंने काट ली, इधर की रह गई।
और मुझे आप पहचान गए हैं?
मैंने आपको पहचान लिया नहीं। जब मैं आपके पास था उस वक्त आपकी नहीं थी, मुझे नहीं आई।
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आई थी मेरी। Okay, this guy over here, this guy actually is a guy who used to work at my house quite a number of years ago. 5 years ago. He recognized me. I can't believe it. I meet this guy, and this guy's actually related to some other people that I know, and he's gonna take me to his village. We're gonna see what's happening over there.
दुमेला से वाए भी दुमेली लास
मेला सी होते
यार वो ने साथ से खिला रहा है गड्डी में खिला रहा है ओ मैं तो नाल के ना मैं छाड़दा
उता चढ़ चलो ओ बैग में
ठीक है बस
उता चढ़ चलो
कार कैंसिल है
We're on top of a roof of a van going back to Muzaffarabad, and this is how a lot of people travel when there's no room inside. Look, there's a landslide. Acha, these people
are standing to be registered. See on the left hand side.
right
That is the main. Look at that. That cover that thing. People waiting for the line.
Chacha.
And then they entered into this controlled area.
Right.
This is all supplies behind the shamianas. Look at that.
My
and
God.
There they get these distribution. Now they take a back shot there.
Right. Look at that crack, that huge crack in the road. It's all landslide. This road. ये जगह क्या चीज़ थी वहाँ? गांव था?
गांव था ना ये
पूरा गांव ही बर्बाद हो गया। ये the landslide is. The whole village is just been destroyed. सोचता हूँ कितने फौत हो गए वहाँ। बहुत। Oh, they closed the bridge down.
Here you can take it. When we came, it was open.
Yeah.
They closed it.
Look at that. ये देखो ये पूरा लैंडस्लाइड हुआ है ना ये जो पूरा Oh my God. और ये रोड तो जरा देखें रोड तबाह हो गई है
This is the Pacificum from the left side and the gone into the river. This is all that. The fencing is in the river.
Yeah, fencing's all in the river. That's the end of that.
This is the end. My God, thank God.
Thank God.
Yeah,
I thought that was an adventure.
it is adventure, but it is very risky, extremely risky. Let's go to the
Well, what's life without risks?
Oh yes. The only thing in life you need is a guts.
Right. All right, let's go.